Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Burbeerrybritt here. So today I created this look using the new Soft Glam palette. Keep in mind this is not my first time using this palette, so I'm not going to talk too much about it because I have another video using it, and so I'll talk a little bit much more on it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know what your thoughts are. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. And P.S. I'm sorry for all the weird lighting changes. It's because I'm filming with the natural light and it's not the best right now because it's cloudy. But yeah, let me know what your thoughts are and I'll talk to you guys next time.
Okay guys, so we're going to begin with prepping our eyes with BH Cosmetics Total Coverage Concealer in white. And then you can apply this using any flat shader brush that you have that can like spread the product really well. Next, we're going to go ahead and take orange soda. And we are going to apply that into the crease and build that up as much as we can. And I'm using the MAC 217 brush to do this. Next, we're going to take Next, we're going to take sienna and apply that to our crease. And I like to first lay down the shadow where I want and then go out and blend it. So that's what I'm about to do. And we're going to build this color up into the intensity that we want. Next, we're going to go ahead and take mulberry, and mulberry is such a pretty color. I'm going to apply that into the outer V, and I'm going to apply mulberry to the outer crease and then bring it in halfway in towards my crease as well. And then I'm switching brushes to really blend out the shades and, you know, make it look really nice and seamless because that's the goal, of course. I'm going to take Noir, which is the black shade, and we're still going to apply it kind of in the same position that we applied mulberry as well. We just want to intensify the outer V portion to make it really look dark and, you know, sultry. And then after the first layer, we're going to go back again and apply a second layer of Noir to the outer V. And then we're also going to try and bring it up a little bit into the crease, just a little bit. That like flick of the wrist. Next, I'm going to be taking bronze and I'm going to be applying this into the middle of the eyelid. I didn't cut my crease or, you know, do the extra concealer layer and then apply this color because that's a little much for this look. So I just wanted to keep it really cute and natural. Next, I applied Sultry. It's the goldy. Yeah, I applied Sultry into the inner eye as well. And then I'm going to take Rustic and just define the crease a little bit more. Nothing extravagant. But that bronze color is like a pretty goldy yellow. So next I'm going to be taking Fenty Beauty's foundation. I think this color is 350. And I'm using my Smashbox stippling brush to apply that. I've already done my concealer off camera, so I just went ahead and bronzed up the face. My face is kind of wide, so it takes a little bit. You know, I got to work in sections, you know. Working in sections is never wrong. So, yeah, working in sections using patting and blending motions. And then after that, I like to blend out all the concealers before I go ahead and set. And I'm using Cover FX's setting powder. I love this stuff. And I'm just applying it everywhere I highlighted. And then I'm going to go ahead with Anastasia's and amrezy's highlighter and apply that to the highest points of my cheeks and look at that glow. Like every time I use this product, I fall a little bit more in love. At first, I thought the highlighter was going to be way too light for my skin tone, but it works, guys. So don't be afraid. Go ahead and try it out in store before you make an online purchase. Anyway, let's continue on. We're going to be applying that to the other cheek as well. And we're going to be applying the highlighter to the nose. And the brush that I'm using to apply this is BH Cosmetics Studio Pro brush. It came in 3 sets and I love it. I'm going to go ahead with Tarte's blush because it's really cute as of right now. But, you know. Next, I'm going to be lining my eyes with NYX's matte liner. And next, I'm going to go with my current lash fave and apply those off camera. And then I'm going to be applying mascara, and then I'm going to be using the highlighter once again to highlight the inner eye portion. And I used taupe to complete this look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Talk to you guys next time.
I hope you guys enjoyed how this look turned out. Let me know what your thoughts are, and I'll definitely keep posting.